Hello friend, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic method of variation of parameter. Let consider the given differential equation as d2y by dx square plus k1 dy by dx plus k2y equals to some function of x, phi of x. Uh, Converting in symbolic form using that capital D for the operator d by dx, we get it is d square plus k1d plus k2 into y is equals to phi of x. Then if we aware k1 and k2 are the constant terms, then we have to obtain its solution by method of variation of parameter. This method of variation of parameter is applicable if that shortcut methods are not useful or applicable. Then we can find its solution by method of variation of parameter. Its auxiliary equation is d square plus k1d plus k2 equals to 0. Solving it for d, we get the roots as y1 and y2. Suppose these are the two roots. We don't know the nature of that root. It may be real and different, it may be real and repeated, or it may be imaginary, any type of root. We consider that as y1 and y2. Then complementary function is given by c1y1 plus c2y2 be the complementary function. We call this as equation 1. Then pi, particular integral, is obtained by this formula u, capital U into y1 plus v into y2, capital V into y2, where that u and v are obtained by, u is given by integration of y2 phi of x divided by a and its integration with respect to x with negative sign minus, and v is equals to integration of y1 phi of x divided by a and its integration with respect to x, where capital A as y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash, or we can write that capital A as determinant of y1 y2 and in second row y1 dash y2 dash. And if we try to find out the value of this determinant, it is y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. Then we try to solve the example on this method of variation of parameter. First example, solve by method of variation of parameter. Equation is d2y by dx square plus y is equal to cosec x. Given differential equation is of order 2 and the right hand side is cosec x. Does not come under any shortcut form. Whatever the previous 6 cases I have discussed, it does not come under any form, and that's why we require to apply this method of variation of parameter to obtain the solution. In symbolic form, it is d square plus 1 into y is equals to cosec x. Then auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is equals to 0. Solving it for d, we get d square is equals to minus 1, d is equals to plus minus I. Roots are imaginary, and as roots are imaginary, complementary function is given by e raised to alpha x c1 cos of beta x plus c2 sin of beta x, where alpha is equals to 0, real part is 0, and beta, imaginary part, is 1, coefficient of I. And therefore substituting that value here, we get that complementary function as e raised to 0 x means 1, c1 cos of beta x, c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x. This is this complementary function. Then comparing this with that, assume CF. Therefore, assume CF is, it is C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2. It implies we get the value of Y1, coefficient of C1, and therefore we get Y1 as cos x, and Y2 it is coefficient of C2. Here the coefficient of C2 is sin of x. These are the values of y1, y2. And then differentiating it with respect to x, we get y1 dash derivative of cos x as minus sin x, and derivative of y2 dash is cos of x. And then we find that a, capital A, as y1, y2 dash minus y2, y1 dash. Substituting all these four values here, y1 is cos of x, y2 dash is again cos of x, minus y2 it is sin of x, and y1 dash minus sin of x. We get it is cos square plus sin square. And the value of this as 1. Therefore, we get the value of A as 1. Then we try to find out the value of, therefore, Pi. It is uy1 plus vy2, where value of u is minus integration of y2 phi of x divided by A and its integration with respect to x. And therefore, we get minus y2 is sin of x into phi of x. Phi of x is cosec x, and divided by A. The value of A is 1. Cosec means 1 by sin. Therefore, that sin and cosec get cancelled. We get integration of dx, and integration of dx is minus x. Then we find v. V is integration of y1 phi of x divided by A and its integration with respect to x. It is integration of value of y1 is cos of x into phi of x. Phi of x is cosec x, and divided by 1 and its integration with respect to x. It is integration of cos by sin. It is cos by sin means it is integration of cot of x, and integration of cot of x is log of, and therefore substituting that values here in equation 2, we get u, the value of u is minus x, y1 is cos of x, v we get as log of sin x into y2 is sin of x. We call this equation number 3. And then complete solution is CF plus PI, and therefore it is for dependent variable. Here dependent variable is y. CF equation number 1 we have as C1 cos of x plus C2 sin of x plus this one sin x log sin x minus x cos of x minus x cos of x as the required solution. Obtained by method of variation of parameter. Okay, therefore if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates or new videos. Thank you very much.